Okay, they're getting the next rocket ready.
How long have you been dating?
How long have you been known?
Forever. First step to a good life is acceptance.
Oh, God. I know.
She said the R word.
Come on. I can't find it. I couldn't see it. Okay, well that was that one. Wait till they get the next one ready.